Hello and welcome to Cyprus Photography Tours. Today we're at the second Christmas village we're visiting in December. I'm in the village of Agros. We're 1100 meters high in the mountains. It might be busy, it might be not, because it has been raining a lot today. Doing another photography POV with the Sony a6700. I'm using the Sigma 56 f1.4 with PolarPro Mist Filter, and I may change this to the 16mm f1.4 later as well, so I can get some tight shots and some wide shots. Let's head into the village. I'm not even going to talk again, just in case. Strap you to my chest and play some Christmas music. Let's go. So we're going to go to f1.4. We'll put the ISO to 1600. Here we go, this is exactly what we want. So after taking a sharp photo, this is something a friend of mine shared with me, Isaac, and I switched the camera into manual focus because there is no button on the Sigma 56, and I just manually shift out of focus so that way I can get this nice blurry effect with the Christmas lights. It's a really cool effect. So by now you would have noticed how the camera keeps getting covered up by my jacket because it is cold up in the mountains, and the magnet pendant I'm wearing for the Go 3S doesn't work through the thick jacket that I'm wearing. Not until I get my chest strap for the DJI Action 5, so we just have to wait a little bit longer for that. So instead of you just watching black from the camera, I'm going to show a series of images. Now the Christmas village already wasn't that busy because of the rain that was forecasted, and yet again we had a downpour of rain, so it made everyone go underneath to cover up by the umbrellas. That being said, it didn't want to put me off, and because I was unsatisfied with the placement of the POV camera always being covered up, so instead I'm just going to show a series of images with some Christmas music, and then in between that I'll just show some B-roll that I captured with my camera, the Sony a6700, and I think it turned out better. At this point I also wasn't happy with the 56mm, so I decided to switch to the 60mm to get some wider shots. Now I know this hasn't been much of a POV because you haven't been able to see me capture the photos, But I did want to chime in here, and I'm really happy with the performance of the 6700 in low light. I'm just using S Cinetone. I have my settings dialed in. I mean, if you're interested in a more technical video of me reviewing this camera or lenses, just let me know in the comment section down below. But I'm really happy the way they have come out in this video. So the wet weather wasn't going to stop me, and if anything, I actually think the lights came out better because you had some of that lovely reflection of the ground as well. After being satisfied with the Sigma 16 f1.4, I decided I want some more tighter focal length, so I switched back to the Sigma 56 f1.4. And I really love this lens. It's such a great portrait photography and shooting from afar without disturbing people. This wasn't much of a POV because I'm wearing a coat and it was covering the camera, and then it was torrential rain. But I hope you enjoyed the video clips from the Sony a6700. If you ask me, they turn out a lot better than something this small on the Insta360 Go 3S until I get a better setup. If you ever visit Cyprus and you want to explore the island through the photography, check the links in the description box down below. Let me know what your favorite photo was, and also what is your favorite thing about Christmas. Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe for next week's photography POV in the next village that we're going to head to, which I believe is Figardo, and that one's a special one because I really like that one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.